So today I'm going to finally try out my Wagner waffle maker that I purchased from a tag sale a long time ago. Never used it. It's in very good shape. Cleaned it up, seasoned it. It's definitely an old one. It's clean on the inside. So it was made for the wood stove. So when you turn it, you pick it up, spin, and turn. I'm doing it outside to try to mimic the wood stove, and I'm going to see what happens. So I need to go inside and make the batter for the waffles. So let's go do that first. So my recipe comes from The Joy of Cooking. Alright, let's get the stuff going. Okay, so the recipe reads 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, ½ teaspoon salt, then whisk together in another bowl 3 large eggs well beaten, 4 to 16 tablespoons, ½ to 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I'm going to put one stick of butter in. Then 1 1/2 cups milk. I'm going to put this on to melt on the stove. I'm just using regular flour. For all you preppers out there, flour is a good thing to have on hand. When we went through this COVID thing, I couldn't find flour or yeast. So now I have plenty of each. Alright, 1 3/4 cup. I hear my butter melting over there. One tablespoon powder, one tablespoon sugar, also sugar was hard to find. Anything to do with cooking or baking. All of a sudden during the pandemic everyone turned into Betty Crocker. And then there's the people who've been doing it all along, couldn't find their supplies. Okay, half of salt. All right, 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Oh. Butter's melting. Should have done it ahead of time, but oh well. Get my whisk. Just going to whisk up my dry. Whisk up the eggs. I always add vanilla. You don't need a ton. And 1.5 cups milk. Oh, goes right on there. I'm going to mix it with a spatula. I've made this recipe before in a waffle iron and they came out great. I don't know what's going to happen when I'm cooking on the fire in an antique waffle iron. There we go. Alright, there's the butter. And there's actually a hunk of butter still in there. Alright, we got to head outside and cook them up. Alright, so I got to light this thing up. Oh. I turned on this one and tried to light this one. Yeah, it doesn't work. Not in this day and age. There we go. It's in really good shape. I just don't know how it's going to be with a temperature that I really can't control. I can always change it up later on, but this is the first time ever doing it. So I'm going to be using the spray. The batter looks great. Nice and bubbly. And of course the traffic is starting because I'm doing a video. That gets hot pretty fast. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm going to go ahead and spin it. I don't really know what to expect. I have no idea how long it's going to be. Oops. Oh, that's looking pretty good. Don't want to mess with it. Take a look. sticking a little here, but it's cooking. Ooh, look at that. Just gonna let it brown a little more. That's looking good. Hey, they knew what they were doing back then in the early 1920s. And the heat is kind of finicky because you really don't know what it's looking for right now. Because once the cast iron gets hot, it maintains heat for a long time. So you just have to kind of get to that sweet spot. So, goes to show you can have this stuff when you're camping. You don't have to live like a barbarian. And you can have something different than pancakes. Alright, I'm going to go take this guy off. So now it just started to stick. Not sure what happened here. The first one did not come out good. I think I need more non-stick. If the first one's a sacrificial lamb, then it definitely was a sacrificial lamb. I think if I had the heat down correct and whatever for a non-stick, it'd be pretty easy to do. Like I said, this is the very first time. I just don't think I'd let the first one cook enough. I still don't know about the heat. I'm going to tone it down. This thing is hot. This grill runs hot. Well, got a phone call. Hello.
Hi, honey.
Just so you know, I'm doing a YouTube video right now, and I'm trying to cook waffles. So you're on speaker.
Waffles. Ooh. With blueberry, chocolate chip, what kind of waffles?
Just regular. I'm doing it on that antique thing on the, oops, there's a whole thing of butter out on out on a grill. So I'm not having much luck right now because I really don't know the temperature and how to make it so it's a non-stick, because it's the old cast iron one.
Oh, well, good luck.
Yep.
But anything with waffles and syrup, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah. So you're on speaker and you're on YouTube. Just so you know, you're on my you're on my video. Just so you know.
Oh. Okay, honey. Well, good luck making them. Make sure you save me a stack.
Well, we'll see how these come out. I'm having a hard time in the beginning here.
All right.
You on your way to the place?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Okay. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Yep, bye.
Bye.
Hey. Best one so far. So it's getting better. Oh, that is hot. All right. Let's try this again. It'll overheat. I'm going to turn it down. I'm pretty much as down as I can go. I've seen so many videos that it looked like it came out easy as using a waffle iron that you plug into the wall, but you gotta wonder how much was edited out. Oh, this one's looking like the best one so far. So if you're using the Explorer, the Camp Chef stove, have it all the way down to low. And use plenty of Pam. All right, so one actually came out. So I must be at the temperature. And I have the right non-stick component. Just remember, don't grab these handles without a cloth because they're hot. So this one came out really good. It's just all about getting the right heat and the right non-stick consistency on your pan, and you'll have good waffles. So that's nice and brown on this side. And this side is done. The mosquitoes are horrible. We've had rain forever. Like the Pacific Northwest in Connecticut here. The weather has not been very friendly. The last waffle, and it's the best. Okay, so making waffles from an antique waffle maker made by Wagner way back when, 1925 was their patent. I did it on the Camp Chef stove. Came to find that if you're going to be doing it on the Camp Chef stove, have it all the way to low. Or even if you're on like a Coleman, have it low, because if it's too hot, it's going to brown the outside, it's going to stick, and the inside is not going to be done. So these are my waffles. They came out good. The first two were pretty much sacrificial. I had no idea what I was doing. This was the first time using this thing. So I used Pam as my non-stick. And that's it. They came out good. When the power goes out, I'm having waffles. I'm not going to be buying all this prep food. I'm going to be making my own food. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.